Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Fabrica, the channel where we talk about making money online as a creative person, as an artist, as a designer. In today's video, we will going to talk about the Creative Fabrica because recently there is a few updates onto the Creative Fabrica platform, and I'm going to be talking about these updates and how these updates can actually help you make more sales, targeting the right niche, getting the sales, and making money on Creative Fabrica. So let's dive in. Before go park, consider clicking the like button, guys. I do really appreciate that. If you want more such video in the future, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. Whenever we're gonna upload new video, you're gonna get notified about it. Also, we have a lot of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below. You can also grab the Creative Fabrica workbook, the complete planner, step-by-step guide in getting started with Creative Fabrica. If you're entirely new to the Creative Fabrica world, you don't know how to get an approval, how to set up the portfolio, how to open up a shop, how to upload the products, and how to actually make money by the Creative Fabrica, then I have an entire Creative Fabrica workbook planner, step-by-step guide that actually helped me in getting started with the Creative Fabrica. Currently running 3 successful shops on Creative Fabrica and making thousands of dollars so far in my Creative Fabrica journey. So if you're interested in Creative Fabrica, getting started with that, then make sure you download this workbook. It's a step-by-step guide you're gonna see, and then you're gonna see a blank space for which you can write it. So it's a workbook as well, instruction guide as well, along with a planner where you can very well write for your own specific situation, shop, niche, and all that. It will going to help you get started with Creative Fabrica, getting the approval, setting up the portfolio, opening the shop, targeting the right niche, shop branding, uploading the products, getting the sales, analysis, reported, promotion. Everything is there in this Creative Fabrica workbook. In Creative Fabrica, grab this workbook. The link is in the description box below. Anyway, guys, let's talk about today's video and what are these updates, because I know that you're really interested in knowing about what are the Creative Fabrica updates and how you can actually use them in your benefit to get the more sales, being a designer, being an artist on Creative Fabrica, or even if you're getting started with the one and you're completely new, still it will going to help you. So let's talk about that. So currently Creative Fabrica actually updated their platform, and this new updates is really amazing, interesting for everyone as a designer as well, and for the customer as well, because it really helps them in getting the right kind of products, and for designer to know what kind of niches they want to target, what kind of ideas or holiday seasons or trending topics or evergreen topics they want to target. To share my screen over here, I'm actually going into the Creative Fabrica via my mobile. You can very well go with the desktop as well and see the similar things. So when you actually go over to the Creative Fabrica homepage, you're gonna see right now the Easter is trending. So you're gonna see the access to 5 million plus fonts and graphics for $1. It's a great deal if you are a customer looking for getting the cool graphics on the Easter. For the Easter and for any kind of graphics, then probably it's the worth the money and effort to get this cool graphics. I'm going to leave the Creative Fabrica link in the description box below. You can very well check it out. But anyways, we are interested in actually knowing the updates and how we can utilize it. So look at the updates that they are having. If you click over to the menu option, okay, you're gonna see the bunch of the different options they are having right now. Now, earlier they were only having the fonts option, the crafts, the graphics, the classes, tools, and print on demand option only there. But right now they have added 2 different options, which is really interesting and amazing. That's the ideas and the needlework. If you go over to the ideas section and click over that, you're gonna see the wedding, Easter, Halloween, 4th of July, Mother's Day, Christmas. So these are kind of like a trending and evergreen niches or holidays for which the people are actually looking for the graphics or for any kind of digital product that you are looking forward to sell on the Creative Fabrica. So you can utilize this ideas section, and this is the latest update, and I think it's really, really interesting and amazing because Creative Fabrica actually divided all the things that they have on their platform into different holidays and seasons and categorize them in a way it's easy for the customer as well, and it's easy for the designer as well to actually make the products related to these specific holidays and events so that they can get the more sales when these are holidays and events are there. Now, wedding is an evergreen, okay? Wedding happens all throughout the year, but the Easter, Halloween, 4th of July, Mother's Day, Christmas are trending topics, and you can expect to make the more sales, make the more money when these events come. So let's take a look at the wedding because it's an evergreen one, and let's see how they have actually categorized in the wedding, what different ideas they have placed. So you're gonna see create your perfect wedding, create your dream wedding, get inspiration ideas for DIY weddings. You're gonna see all the fonts, all the graphics, all the crafts, whatever they have on their platform related to the wedding, they have categorized into this particular section. So if you are targeting the wedding, you're gonna see your stuff is also there in this wedding stuff. And it's really interesting and amazing because people can actually go to idea section and grab the particular graphics related to whatever they are looking for. So it's helpful for the customer as well, and it's helpful for you as a designer as well. So here I'm going to share the 4th tip that I have for you related to this recent update is take a look at the idea section of the Creative Fabrica, because in the idea section you have a lot of these stuff. I hope you get my point, right? So you can see the wedding, you can see a lot of the stuff. So with the wedding is there, the fonts are there, then you're gonna see a graphics is there. There's a whimsical watercolor flower. It's a kind of like a graphic. So you get the idea. Okay, if you want to target the wedding niche, you can make a similar kind of graphic pattern, clip art pattern, or textures or patterns or fonts. Now this one is a folder cut file set. So you could see the wedding card or the gift card fold side set is quite popular. The watercolor collection related to the wedding is also popular. So this is just an example, guys. This is related to the wedding. If I go over to the section, wait a minute. If I go over to the section ideas again, and you're gonna see so many popping right now. The Easter is the trending right now. People are looking for what to the purchasing the Easter. So you're gonna see the Easter fonts, the graphics. This is a spring background bundle related to the Easter. Then you are seeing the Easter bunnies and the summer geometric background. So if you're creating a background, you get the idea. If you want to target the summer or the spring, you can relate to it and you can very well hop on that particular niche. So that is the first tip, to very well go with the idea section. Look at the ideas that are there in this specific niche, and whatever niche or ideal client you are looking forward to target, you can create the graphics, fonts, or crafts according to these things. So that is the first thing. The second thing that I want to bring your attention over here is the needlework. Now, I get your point. Not many people are actually focusing on the needlework. The designers who are selling on the Creative Fabrica mostly are focusing on the graphics or fonts or crafts. But if you are the person who someone is creating the embroidery work, knitting, crochet, cross stitch, quilt, and sewing, then this is a thing you can very well hop on and you can take an advantage of that. Look at that. You're going to see needlework. You're going to see the embroidery. If I click over to the embroidery, you're gonna see the entire embroidery stuff over here, the popular embroidery files. So if you're targeting the embroidery files and if you're creating them, then very well you can hop over to this. Take an idea from that, what kind of niche are popular, what are the different embroidery designs that are popping on the very first homepage, because the popular ones will going to pop on the first homepage, right? So you get the idea. And even if you're a customer looking forward to purchase the needlework, then very well you can go over to that and you can see what kind of needlework they are having. So earlier they kept embroidery as a separate section, and they actually place all these knitting, crochet, cross stitch, quilt, and sewing pattern in the graphics section. But now they have keep it as a separate, because the people are looking for the needlework, for the embroidery designs, for the niche and crochet and all those stuff. And earlier they used to go into the graphics section to get them, but now they can go very well in the needlework and get that. So that is the second tip that I have for you with this particular update. Now let's move on to the third tip that I have for you. Third tip that I have for you is in correlation with the tools section. If you're not aware of the tools, then probably please check it out. Okay, they have the 6 tools currently. 6, it's 5 only, one more. Okay, earlier they were having I think 3 or 4 tools only. You're gonna see a font cloud, shape cloud, web font generator, the craft club, artistry, and inspiration. Yes, the thing that I want to cover over here is the inspiration. I get your point. If you're looking for inspiration to create the design and you have no idea what you want to create, you can take a look at the inspiration that is popping right now. You get the idea. The latest stickers, get the cute coffee shop set, and open your own cafe with it, both a vector version, illustration. So you get that inspiration idea from here, or niche which are popular right now, people are purchasing, and what other designers are creating. In this way you can also take a look at your competitors, what they are selling and how much they are making. So you can see this illustration, the coffee shop set is popular right now. Then scroll down, you're gonna see from another artist, this stuff is popular. Then another one is having this particular stuff. They created Creative Fabrica Durango font. Another one is created this. So you get a lot of the ideas and inspiration from the other designer who are selling. And you can very well promote your own products, your own shop here in this particular inspiration section. It's really interesting, really amazing. And if you want me to cover more in depth about the inspiration, how you can share them, let me know in the comment section below, because it deserves a separate video. But you get my point. You are here getting an ideas as well. You can look at what is popular and how people are promoting. Now you're gonna see Mom, I want to your story, Mother's Day interior. So you're getting a learning laid work, embroidery, a lot more is there. Okay. Another thing I want to cover over here in the tool section over, that is the fourth tip that I have for you, is the artistry. Okay, it's also, these are the recent updates that have been there in the Creative Fabrica platform, and not many people are talking about that, and these can help you get the more sales, get the more eyeballs, get the more niche and design ideas for your shop, so you can make more money via Creative Fabrica. There is the Artistry Ultimate Craft blog, crafting articles from our community around the world. So you can contribute to the Artistry Club. You can write the blog articles, craft blog articles for the Creative Fabrica website, and you can write the blog articles and promote your shop or promote your products in this. You're going to see the top stories that are popping right now. This one is the happy birthday, the card front SVG files, then you can say limited generals for craft shows, metal bracelet stamping, a lot more is there, and you can see the different categories that are popping up, and you can click on the categories which you are interested in, which you want to target, and you can see more in depth with this particular stuff. So it's quite interesting. You can see how many people have been watching that, how many comments they are getting, how many likes they are getting, and you're getting a lot of the eyeballs and a lot of the instructions over here. The last tip that I want to cover over here is the craft club. So they have actually categorized all their crafts into the one craft club. Now it's not a recent update they have done, I think a few months back only. Recent update is more related to the needlework, related to the ideas, the artistry, and the inspiration. But still, I want to cover this thing over here, the craft club, because I think that it's really important for you if you are actually creating a craft and selling on the Creative Fabrica, and then this is something you can very well take a look at that. So what it does really mean, let's take a look at that. Be part of something special. The craft club is an ultimate resource for your crafting inspiration, with access to countless files, your own designer, and exclusive deals. So your craft resources, personal designer tools. So you're gonna see the craft wallet. Currently they are having 81,000 plus exclusive crafts for everything. So you can actually create a request, order request, enjoy the results, and you can see the different crafters who are selling on this platform. You get the idea from that, what they are offering and how it's been working. Now you see the crafty cutter over here. If I click over here, they are giving the 10% first order. So you can visit their website, you can subscribe now, you can see the cool deals that are currently there related to different crafts. That's it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed these tips. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Are you looking forward to sell more on Creative Fabrica? I would really love to hear from you. And if you want me to cover any of these topics even in more depth, let me know in the comment section below. I'm gonna make more videos on these particular topic because it's quite interesting. Creative Fabrica is bringing more new updates with coming new months, and these are quite interesting and amazing as being a designer selling the Creative Fabrica to make more money. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna see you in the next week's video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.